I'm Ian McNemar. I'm a craftsperson, woodworker, and instructor here in the Bay Area, and this is what's in my basket. The first thing I'm grabbing are these Crown Prince sardines and hot sauce. Any sardines and hot sauce take me back to when I was a kid on a Saturday afternoon, having sardines with crackers with my dad. Excited to try these. This is one of my favorite carving books that exists by Yoga Sundquist, Sloyd in Wood. It's really what everybody calls the New Testament for functional carving, especially spoons, butter spreaders, butter knives, things like that. The layout and the color and illustration are amazing. The instruction is incredible. It's also produced by Lost Art Press out of Covington, Kentucky, so it's really, really high quality. Next up, this Andre Verdier folder. It's a beautiful tool to keep in your pocket for mail the garden, scraping marshmallow off pants at a camp out, or turning a stick into an elegant magic wand at the park. I love the collar lock, and of course this walnut handle. It's a really great knife for kids too. Chili is everything my son loves about the world. I've had a lot of Rancho Gordo beans, but maybe not the Vaquero bean yet, so I'm excited to add these to our beloved household chili recipe. With any of my craft tools, hook knives or Sloyd knives, I strop more than I sharpen, probably a few times per session. Maintaining the great edge matters since I rely on a knife finish in my work and typically avoid sandpaper. The rubberized cork strop compresses a lot less than leather, and it's tough. And the borachrome compound makes for a really fast polish and removes any nicks or imperfections in the edge. A versatile tool to keep in the trunk of the car for spotting any downed trees so you can take some of it home with you is this Masatata 210mm Nata. It's a great and versatile axe for chopping, splitting, and definitely carving. The weight of this really allows for the tool to do all the work. I love the double bevel of this. It's a less aggressive bite and allows for more detailed control in carving. I probably have about 50 axes, but I think this one should come home with me too. A life worth living to me includes eggs every day, about any way I can get them. I alternate between hot sauce and chili crisp usually. I've had a lot of Cliff family products, and this one is a really great flavor and mild heat. A really high quality but inexpensive set to add to your kit are these wood tools, carving axe and hook knives. Robin Wood and team out of Sheffield, England are experts in the crafts and tool making. They've revived so much history with the work they do overall, both in tool making and the crafts. The hook knives come in two profiles: open profile for eating spoons, shallow bowls, dishes, or cooking spoons. The compound profile is great for deeper dishes, deeper spoons. It's also really just a great all-around hook. I think in the home, using wood matters. It's warm and quiet. I really hate the metal clanking against a ceramic dish. Using wood at home also, I think, creates a little bit of added ritual to your meal or coffee. You have to really care for these things. They're extremely beautiful utilitarian objects. As they say, if you aren't yet collecting logs, splitting, chopping, and carving them into functional woodenware for your home, then these are really great store-bought options. Kiyaki Marunami handmade Japanese teacup is really unique in that it's handmade, but it also has a liquid glass or Hisui finish, a special kind that really helps it withstand hot and cold temperatures, so perfect for espresso or coffee. These chestnut hexagonal chopsticks are a really great example of form and function, being hexagonal on the handles and square to the tip. Eating with a wooden spoon is also amazing. This Japanese style maple eating spoon is a really great size for your pocket, and it also has nice crank or side bend profile, which makes it really ergonomic to actually eat with. My name is Ian McNemar. If you want to follow along in my process, follow me on Instagram at Wood and Bark. Thanks a lot to the Bernal team for having me. This has been What's in My Basket.